Spend my days with a woman unkind, smoke my stuff and drink all my wine. Made up my mind, make a new start, going to California with an aching in my heart. Someone told me there's a girl out there with love in her eyes and flowers in her hair.
So here we are on today's ride. So I saw this on Google Earth, this location. So it's got a bench and it looks out over La Marina. That's perfect. Santa Pola over there. And we're going to Rojales today on the Kona lava dome. It's a bit rocky though.
Obliged, such a pleasant stay. But now it's time for me to go. The autumn moonlight's my way. But now I smell the rain, and with it pain, and it's heading my way. Sometimes I grow so tired, but I know I've got one thing I got to do. I ramble on. Now the time is now. Sing my song. how years ago, in days of old, when magic filled the air. Just in the darkest depths of Mordor, I met a girl so fair. But Gollum, at the evil wall, crept up and slipped away with her, yeah.
Here we are at Rojales.
But Gollum, at the evil wall, crept up and slipped away with her, yeah. And ain't nothing I can do now. I guess I'll keep on rambling. I'm gonna see myself. I gotta find my baby. I'm gonna ramble on, sing my song, gonna work my way around the world, baby. Yeah. Do, my baby. Ramble on, baby. Do. I guess I do need it every time. I think I got to fall. I gotta keep searching for my baby. I gotta keep searching for my
Here we are at Benijofar View. I don't normally come up here because it's quite tough. It's quite hard work getting up here. So Benijofar is there. So we've just come from Rojales, which is just over this hill here. And we started off in La Marina, which is, if you look straight across now the coast, that's where we was, and we've come over the La Marina urbanisation and then right round the back here to Rojales, and then we've come up this road here right round the back to here.
Ziggy played guitar, jamming good with Weird and Gilly and the Spiders from Mars. He played it left hand, but made it too far. Became the special man, then we were Ziggy's band. Ziggy really sang. Screwed up eyes and screwed down hairdo, like some cat from Japan. He could lick 'em by smiling, he could leave 'em to hang. They came on so loaded, man, well hung in snow white tan. So where were the spiders while the fly tried to break our bones? Well, just the beer like to guide us. So we bitched about his fans and should with crutches we hands. Oh. Ziggy played for time, jiving us that we were voodoo.
On the way back to La Marina now.
He was the Naz with God-given ass. He took it all too far, but boy could he play guitar. Making love with his